New right now at 6 o'clock, COVID has certainly had a huge impact on all our schools, especially on our children.
And there are calls for more access. And as chief political reporter Susan Raff tells us, Republicans and Democrats are together on this one.
For more than 2 years, the way children learn has been very different. COVID forced schools to go remote. Now children are back, but wearing masks. It's been a hard adjustment.
We see impacts from the pandemic, not just on our kids and our parents, but on the educators.
Chris Marino works for Community Mental Health Affiliates, a nonprofit that works with schools. The challenges are many. There are staffing shortages, especially in counseling.
Connecticut is rich with a lot of resources, but those resources are very disconnected.
Senate Democrats are proposing 2 bills to help connect kids with mental health services. Their initiative, Healthy Students, Healthy Schools, would increase services and expand preschool and child care.
We had a 13-year-old young lady, 13 years old, took her life. Imagine that, 13 years old.
When it comes to some of the issues, Democrats and Republicans often disagree. But on this, there's common ground.
How can we increase the number of practitioners in the field and make sure that you have counselors? But in addition to that, we don't want finance to be an impediment either.
Republicans are supporting greater access and affordability. Chris Marino says both are important, that kids have anxiety about returning to school.
The readjustment to a structured setting, especially for our little ones.
Older kids have felt anxiety too, getting back into sports and clubs, things they weren't able to do during the pandemic. And Connecticut does have an opportunity to do more, with lots of surplus money and federal COVID relief funds as well. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.